back on site. I just can't believe what I just did. I was trying to delete one clip and I deleted my whole morning. My Lord, unbelievable. Well, we had 6 inches. I'm going to recap this super fast. We had 6 inches of water in the hole. I excavated a daylight drain. I put in a perforated piece of pipe wrapped in resin paper with 1A stone wrapped around it. Normally we don't. We usually go right from this point solid, but I wanted to get all the water out of the house. So it's all, and this pipe is going to be below our stone, and then I'll dig up and go down into it. So everything's below our footing height, which is awesome. Put the resin paper on there as you see. Backfill this. Pipe's still running out nicely. We got water running right on out. That was that. We've had 1 load of crusher run delivered, and I installed the driveway to the garage. We'll need more obviously, but it was just to get the trucks in today. We delivered some 1A stones. This is 2 loads off. First load I dumped right in my cut, my trench. Second load we dumped right in the hole. We backed them up right to here. It worked awesome. And as you see, I'm spreading it out. Not taking great height yet because I know it takes the amount of stone I need. Once I get it in the hole, I'll start shooting afterwards. But all the water is running out that pipe. I apologize, I'm so mad. It just happened 5 minutes ago. I was trying to delete one clip and I hit batch and never did that before. Truck is here. Man, I am bummed that I lost that footage. Sorry, Dave. Dave's a homeowner. He's from New Jersey. He can't get up here every day because he works and he likes to watch the videos. That's how I met Dave, through YouTube. Contacted me to do this project a couple of years ago, actually, to clear. But the truck's here. We'll get him right in here and I'll get some more footage of the waterfall. There she goes. Nice and nice. All right, you guys even missed me dumping the slop up here, cleaning up the edges of the hole. Took a mouthful of mud. That was a good one. All right, let's get in here. Got 1 more load of stone coming probably. Now I don't know what I said from the deleted clip, so I guess I'll just repeat myself. Not sure if you guys enjoy the tips and tricks. I mean, obviously you enjoy the tips and tricks I give during the show here. I don't know what to call it, but I feel like the local guys are paying attention and giving them the edge on me here. It's more or less for the amateur excavator that's learning the business. I mean, obviously guys that watch my channel that's been doing it for years already know it, but let me know in the comments what you think, if you enjoy the extra narration. I know some people do. Just getting this in about 6 inches, and then I'll shoot, grade, put the other 2 on. It will vary from 8 to 10 inches probably. I mean, by the water, you seen everything was within a ½ inch. Everything was covered in water, and if you guys go to my stories, you can see the morning, because I did do a couple stories, so that's on there too. I don't know who watches those stories. I know, obviously I know a few guys do because they comment on it, but blowing it in, grade as you go. I give a 3-foot over dig. It only calls for 2, but I always give 3 to make it safe, and it ensures the foundation is gonna fit. Nothing worse than getting a call saying it don't fit. some things, but not 30 clips. Oh, 4 hours of filming. The other thing I said was, at lunchtime, I'm gonna put some more stickers I got right in here. People sent me. Again, these are all YouTube channels that are on that boom. People I met at the expos, the utility expo, the meet and greet in September, and other people that just sent me. Some guys from TikTok sent me, all that. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, check it out, DirtBoss42. Also, it's DirtBoss42 on TikTok. All right, last load of stone. Look at the chunk of snow in there, unbelievable. Yeah, so last load, just set up the laser, hit my benchmark up there, went down there for giggles, and it was dead nuts. You can't make it up. I don't know. I'll show you when I get the laser out, but all that's roughed in, just blown in, 8 inches depth, dead nuts by eye. Just you gotta listen to the rocks. That's what you gotta do. Listen to the rocks. Chasing the water out each hit. One thing about this 1A is it does grade out nice. It's easy to rake. That's why Superior Walls wants it. Easy to work with. Just about on the last scoop here to get that water out, and we don't want to backfill that pipe, so we're just going to leave that open like that for now, just so I can get out cleanly like this. And we still got some stone in the hole, which I can bail out with the hoe and put it up in the garage. But we got to grade out first before I move it. But I think we're close. We'll take it and try to place it up here for now. See if we can do a little bit. Not really. This stuff just wants to roll out. That's okay. We'll get it. I'll put it to this corner and I'll bail it out with the track hoe. I'll go right there and start grading backwards and go from there. You just breathe on it, it moves. It's real finicky stuff, so you can't really track and turn. So once you make a couple passes, you have to make your get your grade. Just gonna work my way right out, clean up as I go from one corner to the next. Laser and shoot this first corner, set my grade. did by eye. Like I said, I didn't even have a grade pin in here to get the height. I just started dumping it in. Water made its way to the pipe. It's been running. It's just about out because it's just trickling. Nice. Well, that water made its way. Let's get the laser before lunch. Down here. Calibration. Let's see, obviously where I was turning it's high. Let's just go where I was grading a little bit. Wow. Wow. Ha! Come on, give it to me. You know. You know. Let's check over here. Okay, we're a little low here. Half inch. Let's check the far corner over here. We're close. 1 inch low. So I'll just come after lunch, take some paint, get my heights. It's so close. So I gotta bring an inch right here, which I got the pile there, not a big deal. Get this where it's gotta be, rake it out. I'll have this thing within a quarter all the way around. Nice and nice. Then all I gotta do is put the stone in the garage and we are good to get pinned out. Back from lunch. Got my pipes delivered nice and nice. Perforated pipe to go around the outside of the foundation afterwards, and I got some solids in there too to keep going with that daylight, some 90s. Shut the laser down because everything is graded. All the X's all the way around, dead nuts within a 1/4 inch centers. Also, they got to scratch down in and put piers in, so we'll have extra stone to play with if we need some or take some away. There's 4-inch piers that go everywhere. Got the pipe in here. It's running out the end. Just gonna backfill this with the dirt. Leave the end open, obviously. Pipe is on this end and marked. That way I could tie into it after the walls are up. All right, on the garage, as strategically planned, put my stone in there, the leftover stone. Oh, I got a little dirt in there and did a cut. Hang on. Let's get that dirt out of there. Come on. We're running low on stone. We're just gonna have enough, so we can't be wasting it. But we'll make a little berm pile in the center, be able to rake it to where it needs to be. There should be enough in this haunch here to do the whole garage. That's why I left that like that, not only to get the trucks in there, but I knew that would spread around. We just had enough for the basement. I mean, there's not much left over whatsoever, besides what you see scraped up in the center of the garage, which we'll cut that out at a later date too. All that's got to get raised up and compacted after the walls are in. But it's got to cut them roots out. A little bit of overburden left in there. Basement come out really good. Really good. Still disappointed in the video of me deleting the beginning. I wanted to show you guys that water, but if you do watch the stories, you gotta get on them and look at them before, because the stories only last 24 hours, so you gotta check them out. Let's see what I got here. Get a little closer. this around the other side. Just slicking off my ruts. We're supposed to get some, well, I don't even want to say it, but we're supposed to get snow tonight. They're saying in the foothills a foot. 1 foot of snow. April 19th. Ridiculous. There was ice on the water this morning, and we did get snow yesterday on Easter, and didn't make a pleasant day. But we should be in good shape now. Hopefully they come and pin it out tomorrow. We'll be good to go. Protect these pipes because you know they're like gold right now. Super expensive. Throw the bucket on them. Give them a little squeeze. Perfect. Nice. Pipe is still weeping ever so slightly. I do have a rock cover in the end, but I extended that all the way out. There's my rock cover in that. Probably should just kick that open a little bit. Let that water seep through there to get out of here, because this is going to keep filling up under. We'll never come above the stone, obviously, or that pipe. But everything is looking nice, ready for superior walls. Everything's graded out. 5 foot step up. And you can tell with the grade how it is. You know, all this dirt's going to go around that garage. We'll compact and lifts with stone on that garage. Inside it, the rest of this dirt will go around here, because these walls are 9 foot. We'll get clean backfill all in our over dig. Then the rest of this dirt will go over the top and cap it. And we should be good. Ready to go. I am so upset about that lost footage. I'm sorry, guys. You know, hurt my feelings more than anything. I wasn't even gonna put this video out because I don't even know. You know, I started at midday after I lost probably, I don't know, 15 clips of me starting the day. But it is what it is. That's the life of trying to be a YouTuber and get work done. I don't know. I hit the button, the wrong button, I guess. It is what it is. I'll catch you guys on the next one.